Welcome to this clip on how to empower you to manage your health naturally. And yeah, let's dig in the air and find out more. Really to empower you to, to manage your own health naturally. And I've got some proof here that's going to really startle you if you haven't come across this. And I've got some really cutting-edge tips that, when you view energy as electricity and you look at the immense things that we can do with electricity, or we're beginning to do with cell phones and computers and stuff like that, and flying to the moon, whatever, but you know what I mean. That's only just the beginning. If you look at the biocomputer that we are, or all living matter is, it's like, this is just, this cell phone is like a dumb idiot, compared to what a life form is. And so today what I want to do is really help you understand what it is to manage your own health and to do it naturally.